Good morning, students. This video is based on computer virus. In today's generation, every information is stored in digital format. Okay. So we need to protect those information. So computer security is mainly associated with three core areas. Okay. So, as we have to protect the digital information or digital data or information which is in digital format, this is known as computer security. Okay. And computer security is mainly associated with three core areas. Okay. They are confidentiality, integrity and authentication. Now, confidentiality means unauthorized persons cannot access data. Okay. Only authorized person can access this important data. Okay. Second thing is integrity. That means unauthorized person cannot alter data. That means they cannot modify or change data. Okay. First of all, they cannot access data. Second, they cannot alter data. And third is authentication. Users will be validated before they got access to the information. That means that user should be a valid user and the process should be authenticated. Okay. The user should be an authenticated user. Okay. So these are the three pillars which should be kept in mind in case of computer security. Okay. First of all, confidentiality, second is integrity and third is authentication. Confidentiality means unauthorized person cannot access those important data. Integrity means unauthorized persons cannot alter or change those important data, and authentication means only authenticated persons can access those kind of information or data. Okay. So authentication means validation of your identity. That means if you are authorized, if you are authorized, then you can access those kind of data. Okay. Now, to maintain these three things, that means confidentiality, integrity and authentication, we have to do two things. That is data encryption and second is password. Okay. We have to maintain these two steps so that we can maintain the three pillars of computer security. Okay. So one is data encryption and another is password. Data encryption means translating data into some other form. That means those important data will be translated into some other forms or encoded into some other forms so that outsider or unauthorized person cannot understand. Okay. Again, when required, those encrypted data or those encoded or translated data will be decoded so that it will be converted into its previous form. Okay. So first we will encode it so that unauthorized person cannot understand those important information, and then again when required we will decode it. Okay. And second is password. We know what is password. Password is a secret word or phrase which is used for a particular program or system. Okay. We use Facebook, we use Gmail. We know that for login we need a user ID and a password. Password means my secret word or my secret phrase to open that account. Okay. So these two things is required to ensure computer security, or the pillars of computer security, that is confidentiality, integrity and authentication. Okay. But there is such kind of software in the internet or in other computers which are envious software. That means they are made to harm important softwares. Okay. This envious or malicious software is known as malware. Okay. That means this kind of software was made to destroy important data or important information, or to access important data or important information. Okay. This software is known as malicious software. Malicious means envious. Okay. Or in short, malware. Now malware can be of these types like virus, worm, trojan, bot, backdoor, spyware, okay, adware. So this is the basic idea about computer security and computer virus. Okay. Now I will discuss them in details in the next video.